Stone frying pan, induction compatible, 9.5-inch, with soft touch handle, by Caannasweis. Review. Are you looking for stone frying pan with non-stick, scratch, and wear-resistant surface? Stone frying pan by Caannasweis not only makes cooking more convenient and enjoyable, but cleaning up afterward is also a breeze. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Cook healthier and easier. This induction-compatible frying pan is designed with an innovative, green, stone-derived, non-stick coating, developed in Germany. That is free of PFOA, PTFE, APO, no lead, and no cadmium, for cooking healthier meals, and make cleaning up fast and easy. Attractive and convenient design. The frying pan comes in retro, rural, and natural styles to create a warmer and more joyful meal atmosphere. The pan has an integrated ergonomic, wood grain handle, for comfort, convenience, and slip resistance during cooking. Convenient and practical use. Premium, aluminum alloy material, combined with a magnetized base, allows for rapid heat transfer and long-time use, perfect for cooking with induction, gas, ceramic, electric, halogen, and solid fuel cookers. The pan is not suitable for oven. Fast and easy cleanup. To clean easily, use hot water and detergent, with a cloth or the soft side of the cleaning sponge. The pan is dishwasher safe, but it's recommended washing by hand for a long lifespan. You also can use a soft dish brush for cleaning the pot. Money-back guarantee. You can try this pan risk-free, as 100% customer satisfaction is the unremitting pursuit for Caannasweis. They offer 30 days, 100% money-back guarantee. So, there is no real reason why not to try this stone pan. Based on over 3,260 customer reviews, and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. This is a popular, easy-to-use, induction-compatible stone frying pan, with non-stick, scratch, and wear-resistant surface. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Great quality. I purchased and received 2 pans. I received a 10-inch pan and a 12-inch pan. The pans are heavy, well made, and I like the wooden handles. The food does not stick in the pans, and clean very easily. I purchased the pans because of the 100% PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium-free, non-stick coating. Quality product, and great price. The picture shows the pans, and the canvas bag the pans each came in. The pans were bubble-wrapped, and boxed. Customer service is excellent. Says Eve. 5 stars. Love. Told myself, it was time for a new pan, and let me tell you, this did not get disappointed. First, I wanna say, how much I'm in love with this, because it's seriously so pretty, lol. And, also I used this tonight for the first time, and it cooked perfectly. The heat was even, and food did not stick even a bit. I'm so happy I bought this. I finally threw my old ones out. Says Michelle. 5 stars. I finally found the pan of my dreams. I've been researching pans, and decided to give this one a try. I needed a safe, non-stick strong frying pan that would last. I'm so happy with my choice. My husband makes breakfast every day. I bought it for him. He gives it 5 stars for not letting the eggs stick. The yolks never break. Yay! I use it later in the day for grilled cheese and meats for dinner. Get this pan. You won't regret it. Says Don Matthew. 5 stars. Surprising quality. I was delighted to find that this inexpensive pan was of such high quality. It has a heavy bottom for even heat distribution. It has high sides to increase its utility over similar frying pans. It is very well made and has a terrific non-stick surface. The one minus is the cheesy faux wood handle. However, I was so pleased with the pan, I decided not to withhold the star, just because of the handle. It's always nice to be pleasantly surprised, and I was. I was also pleasantly surprised at the inclusion of a sponge. Not a big deal, but was a nice surprise. Says Mike. 3 stars. Almost completely a joy to use. Love these pans so far. Use them every day, and have no problem. After having a failed all-clad, these are awesome. I bought 3 sizes, and love them. My biggest reason for not giving this 8 inches pan a higher rating is based on a number of other concerns, that being, it topples. The others are great, but this one won't stay upright. Other than, the balancing act we have to do, we love it. Says Denise, E. 1 star. The handle doesn't screw on. Item, looks like an amazing quality, but the handle won't screw on. Not sure if it's the screw, or the handle or pan, that's defective. I will try to superglue it. Says Veronica. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.